BMW R1300GS/GSA rad guards. Installation guide. We have left side, right side rad guards. These are made of aluminum, super light. And then Allen bolts, 4 washers, 2 nylock nuts. The tools that I will be using, I have a small flathead screwdriver and then one that's shaped like this, optionally, and then a 10mm wrench / spanner, ratchet, and an M5 Allen key, Allen socket. So the next step, you're gonna have to pop this pin out here, not the washer looking piece at the bottom because that's the clip, just the pin. So you pick under like so. It's just very gently from multiple angles because you don't want to break this. And when it's out far enough like this, you can pick under and pull it out like so. That's that. So mounting this is pretty straightforward. You have 2 pins on the top and they slide in there, 1 and 2. So just gently push them up as far as you can. And then you will see when the mounting holes have lined up here, you can put the bolt through. So here's the bolt and a washer. Push it through like so. Okay, so that bolt is through. And then back side, you can see washer and the nylock nut. Just spin it on like so. And now with the recommended tools, you can tighten this bolt and nut. Okay, so the installation is exactly the same on the other side. Both are 100% identical. No different steps are involved. So once they are mounted, pull those bolts and nuts nice and snug. And should you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us via email info@outbackmotortek.com, or you can call toll free 877-931-3636. Thanks for watching.